So guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to upload a video in the YouTube. If you are a beginner, just click on your video, YouTube, and your account, and go to your channel, or click plus and upload the video, and choose the video that you wanted to upload. So for example, this 4.5 minutes, 4 minutes and 50 seconds. And if you're happy with it, just click next and put the title of it. Just put 19 amazing things. If you want to put description, you can add on it. And for me, I decided to put in private instead of public, so I know if my video have copyright. So I click next. And also, if you like to put location, you can put location. And if you have playlist, just put playlist. And if you're done with it, just put next, click next and upload. And you can see on the library that your video is uploading, and it's uploading now. So we have to wait until the video get uploaded. So you can see now the video is halfway uploading into 55%, so we have to wait until it will be done until 100%, and the video will start to process, and they will let you know if your video is copyright. So I'm gonna show you guys how to know if your video have copyright or no, using your phone or computer. As you can see guys, the video is already uploaded and now it's processing now. So we have to wait until the YouTube process your video. So until 100% also. As you can see guys, the video is 100% uploaded and processed, and as you can see, it is on the have a padlock there. It means that your video is a private, and you can check on it and you can review your video here. You can watch it. Okay guys, so if you don't have YouTube Studio, so you have to download your YouTube Studio on your application. So I have my iPhone, so I'll use App Store and just find YouTube Studio and just download it, because I already downloaded YouTube Studio. So I have, okay. So guys, so when you're already inside the YouTube Studio, so you click the video that you wanted to edit. So for this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your thumbnail. So just click this pencil and click inside the picture and have pencil on it, and you can choose, and there's already the YouTube already show you which one you wanted to choose, but I want a custom thumbnail. Okay guys, so when we click the thumbnail, so you can choose whatever you want. So you can choose so after you clicking the thumbnail, you can choose now the photo that you wanted to be the main cover of your video. So I wanted to choose this one, the first one, and you can edit it, make it smaller or bigger. So I want to be on the full size of it, so I select like this. So it looks like this, and you can save it. So if you're using desktop, so click on the right side, on the upper right side of your YouTube, and click YouTube Studio, and click the content. And as you can see, the video that I was uploaded is this one, 19 amazing things, and you can check, still in private, and the restrictions is not copyright, so I'm happy with it. So now guys, if you're using PC, you can set your video in Premiere. So I'm gonna show you how. So this is the video that I was uploaded. I set that already in the Premiere, and I want to change the date of it, or if you want to set up, just click this one, click scheduled, and for example, I removed this and then I wanted to set as Premiere, so just click set Premiere, and you can change the date of it and the time, and click schedule. There's another way to set up your video as Premiere, so click plus and upload the video. For example, you want to upload a video, this video, so now and guys, just click next, and then the title of it, for example, anything, and you can set the visibility on the public and set as instant premiere. Click schedule and schedule today, set as premiere, change the date, we want tomorrow, and okay, and the time, and then you can change the AM or PM, and okay, and choose next and upload. And you can see on the library it's uploading. Because the video is too short, it will be very quick, and I can show you how it looks like. As you can see guys, the video is already uploaded and it was on Premiere now, and you can check the time and schedule. So I hope you learned from this video, and click the comment below, put comment below, and if you have another suggestion on my next content, just put a comment, and I will gladly make a video for you. And thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.